What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons checking in for the Clean Biz Network. I ain't gonna hold y'all long, but I just wanted to check in real quick with y'all. I tried to go live, but my connection wasn't good enough, man. But I want to tell you this. The absolute best time to start your company, your business, was yesterday, okay? But the second best time is today, okay? Right now. Start today. Get started because why? I'm gonna tell you why. Because I just got off the phone with Travis Benson. Y'all see that interview coming shortly. I probably upload it tomorrow. Travis Benson started cleaning, and he's a member of the Clean Biz Network. He started cleaning in February this year, man. He started cleaning in February of this year. Here we are in July, and he's already grossing $200,000 per month with his business, okay? I'm sorry. $200,000 per year, not per month. I'm thinking bigger, right? All right, but he's grossing $200,000 per year already from February to July, okay? That's not a very long time. What are you waiting for? What's going to be your story, man? This is a guy who doesn't have the cleanest background. You know what I mean? He didn't have a lot of business savvy or anything. He just took action and got started, y'all. So I'm coming here today to motivate those of you standing on the sideline watching my videos every day and waiting rather than just taking action, okay? I make it as easy as possible for you. If you want to do a franchise, I coach you through and show you how to buy a franchise and make with a franchise, show you how to benefit with the franchise, maximize your profit with the franchise, all of that. If you don't want to do franchise and you want to start independent, I even risked my own security and showed you how to start independently. The franchise, you know what? I'm with a franchise. Franchise companies don't like that I teach y'all how to go independent. Y'all know that, right? Okay, so I even risk my own well-being and try to help you do that too. So the help is here. I got the Clean Biz Network started, so that way you can constantly ask me as well as other people. We up to over 100 members in that group now, by the way, which means I lied to y'all. I told you I was going to raise the rates to $47 a month from $25 a month, and I never did. I said once I hit 100 members, I was raising it. I never raised it, right? So if you want to get in there, you can get in there anyway. It's still $25, but anyway, my point is this. I need you to get started and stop playing, all right? Time is not waiting for nobody. If you have gotten started, you bought your cleaning franchise, but you want more help, we got you in the Clean Biz Network, okay? Or you can buy the starter kit if you want to start learning how to bid on your own, all of that. We got you. But the bottom line is, the help is here. The resources are here. I got over 700 videos on YouTube. I don't know, it might be even more than that now. It might be in the 800s now. But I got the resources out there to help you. All you got to do is take action and put that work in. I was talking to Travis, man. We like that. That was a fun conversation. I can't wait for y'all to see that video tomorrow on YouTube, by the way. This guy is just grinding, man. It's pure grind, okay? Everybody likes to talk about grind. It's all fun and games and shit. It's fun to say I grind all night and grind every day when you rapping them songs. But when it's time to actually get out here and work from 6 in the morning to damn near 3 o'clock in the morning or whatever time it is, who gonna really be the ones to put in that work, okay? And why are we doing it? Because we know that if we do this for 5 to 10 years now, and structure our company, get everything right, later on we good, we can chill. We can sit at the top floor in our boardroom and relax. While everybody else still in the rat race, going to their work for 40 and 50 years and then hoping that that pension check at the end or that social security check, which a lot of us probably won't even qualify for because it's being depleted as we speak. I don't know how that's not major news every day, but it's facts. Go research, okay? There will not be no social security checks when we get older, okay? So, and I'm 30, okay? It won't be there. So if you my age and younger, if you a little bit older than me maybe, it might not be there. Don't count on the government to take care of you, okay? Start making your own plans and start taking care of yourself. The quickest and best way to grow wealth is through entrepreneurship. It's also the hardest because it takes so much damn effort and work and learning so much and dedicating so much and sacrificing so much. It is hard, you know what I mean? But it's easy to get started and it's simple. It's very simple, but it's not easy. It's going to be work. You're going to work your ass off, but it's simple. All you do is you put that work in for 10 years straight, and then you back up, automate that shit, and kick back. You know, that's it. It's simple, right? It's simply explained, but the thing is, are you willing to put that work in, okay? Are you willing to put that work in and most importantly, get started, take action, and stay dedicated to it? Because if you're not, that's fine. Go get a job and then hope that the traditional rules of money will work for you. Right now, it ain't looking promising for that road, right? So that's why I'm out here teaching entrepreneurship. I've been teaching it since 2014, trying to get y'all rolling. I get success story after success story every day. Somebody in my inbox. Just yesterday was a guy in my Instagram. I think it's Jay Merck. My bad if I mess up your name. I think it's Jay Merck though, on Instagram. Just inboxed me and said he just hit $100,000. 2 months. He been in the business 2 months, hit $100,000 revenue. Okay? You can do it. You can do it, but you have to get started. Most of the people that hit 6 figures in 6 months, most of them are with a franchise. But some of them are independent too. You know what I mean? Some of them are independent too. So it doesn't matter which route you choose. What matters is that you get started and then you stay dedicated and stay disciplined and put that work in to get yourself up to that point, okay? It can be done. Stop letting people get in your ear. Stop letting small stuff get to you. And then for y'all that's already in the business, I know what you go through because I go through it. You don't want a clean toilet for the rest of your life. Understand that 10 years ain't the rest of your life. If you start a cleaning company, the majority of your time long term is not going to be in the field, okay? You're going to be in the boardroom. How do I know? Because I collected checks for for months at a time. I've been in Florida for the past year and a half. I've been in Florida collecting checks from my business in Virginia. I don't clean toilets. You see what I'm saying? Now I do. I'm back home now. I'm back in the field. I just set up 3 new accounts and I haven't hired for them yet. So guess where I'm at? I'm back out there getting dirty again. And I ain't gonna lie, it's fun, y'all. It's fun because I'm growing, I'm building, and I'm being reminded. And also I'm getting motivated so I can keep delivering content to you. And I'm staying relevant. Like the advice that I'm able to give now, even though I'm 4 years into this business, this time around anyway. But I've been in this industry a long time ago, cleaning for other people, as well as I had my own company before this franchise for 3 years, and I got rid of that because I sucked at it back then. So second time's a charm, right? You gotta get out there, you gotta fail. And that's why I say the best time to start your business is now, because you gon' fuck up, okay? You gon' mess up. But it's best to do it fast and early and often as possible to get it out the way, so that way you can start moving and making them real moves, okay? And really, you shouldn't even fail as bad, because I'm out here giving you all of the guys and blueprint to make it that much easier. I've never seen so many successful people in this business so fast, and young people in particular. And I want to, I'll be a little bit selfish and take some stake in that. I think that happened, and as a response to these videos that I'm putting out. People are getting more knowledgeable, we get more dedicated, and we're understanding that stuff is starting to make sense. If you just put that work in, you'll see the results. All right, so for y'all on the sideline, stop standing on the sideline, stop being a fan. I appreciate your support and watching these videos and learning and stuff, but don't be no fan. Don't just stand on the sideline. Get in the game. I pass you the ball, you shoot the 3. You know what I mean? Like, get in here. Let's get it. It's enough out here for all of us. That's why I always tell y'all, everybody eats. This ain't my everybody eats channel, but everybody eat. That's my motto, and I believe in that, all right? So that's why I'm out here teaching y'all this stuff. I want you to win. I want you to get it at the same time I'm getting. I tell you all the time, I ain't made it yet. I ain't rich yet, but I'm well on my way. I got wealth, though. I got some wealth. I ain't got to worry about being homeless. I ain't got to worry about not having income coming in because I have wealth, okay? Now, am I rich yet? No. But we about to get there, and I want you to get there with me once it comes, okay? We going to get it. Now, AJ Simmons, thank y'all for watching Clean Biz Network. If you want to get your starter kit, the link is in the description of this video. If you want to join the Clean Biz Network, link is in the description of this video. If you don't know what's in either one of those, click the link. It'll show you all the details, all right? Thank y'all for watching. Let's get started. Stop playing, stop procrastinating, stop BSing. Everything is on you. You create your life. What you want, that's what you get. But you got to put that action into it, all right? Thank y'all.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans, that look like that bitch be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Fuck I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show. Look what you asking for, trying to buy a whole yacht. Me on the other hand, I'm trying to buy a whole lot, so I can sell them bitches. Young businessman, that's why I used to drop pounds, no fitness plan. Yeah, and some get it with a bachelor. Me, I flip money, other dudes flip spatulas. But it's all good, get it how you live. Gotta build an empire for your grandkids' kids. Now can I live? Cop me a crib, something with a late